Welcome to this video. We're going to talk a little bit about the pressure in the chest when we feel that we cannot breathe easily, difficulty breathing, shortness of breath. On the emotional side, we see often that the person has obviously a very big fear that is connected to death, but not just that, is the fear connected with what other people think. Usually that's the case, not always, but when I depend a lot on somebody else's opinions, and it could be just one person, like I could not care about anybody's opinion, but the one person, I care about what people think of me, and I have a fear specifically of death, usually will result in that manifestation of shortness of breath. In the biomagnetic therapy, we often find that the heart needs a little bit of help, and that's usually what we do with the south pole of the magnet, which is usually the black side, that goes directly on top of the heart. And then I use two red ones, two north poles on the lungs, or one red one in the esophagus, right here. That's usually, it's very often that I find that. Hope this helps. See you in the next video.